This is a demo of the Sonar security camera, which we can see is right here on top of this ladder in its housing and being powered by a wall outlet. Right here we can see that there's the Sonar camera, which is used to capture the different distances to know where a user is in location to the camera, and then that's the actual camera that captures the security footage. And then so if I bring you guys to my laptop, you can see that the Raspberry Pi is being connected over VNC. And then if I start the security camera program, we can see that it opens a web server and then starts the sonar sensor. So right now you can see that it's detecting different distances. And then if I refresh this page, we can see that this is the web server that the Raspberry Pi is hosting with all the different videos being cataloged from different security footage. So here we can see for each, for every video it has a title, the date at which it was filmed, and then the time at which it was recorded. And then so if we flip back here, we can see that the sonar sensor is continuing to detect different distances. And then if I go in front of it and approach as if I was someone just walking up to a door or your house, we can see that the sonar camera detects that there's someone in front of it, because there's someone in front of the camera for a certain amount of time. It's recording me now, and then if I step out of the frame, it's still recording for 10 seconds, because if I walk in front of it again, if I pass by, it'll still be recording. And then so after the 10 seconds goes by, it stops recording, and now we can see that it's processing a face capture. But in the meantime, we can still see that the sonar sensor is still detecting different distances. That way, in case another person comes back, they can, it'll be recorded as well. So now if we go back to the web server and refresh, we can see that this new video at March 9th, 5:14, or I guess 5:13, has been recorded. So we have the option to play the video, which we can see is me approaching the camera and walking around it. And then we have the option to change the playback speed or download if we want this video. And then the facial capture allows us to see which individual was in front of the camera in just a still to see exactly who it was. And then we can go back and see that the sonar sensor is still continuing to detect different distances. And then if I was to go back in front of the camera, it'll detect me again, start another video as it's doing, and repeat the process. And it's going to run entirely on its own. And then in an ideal world, we wouldn't have the camera or the VNC viewer activated. It would just be running in the background. So yeah, that's a little demo of the Sonar security camera.